hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all to the Jagdishwaram Education Center as the reasoning faculty. Let me first introduce myself. I am Bhumi and I will be preparing you for the various national level exams such as SSC, Banking, Railway, CLAT, and in this video I will explain the syllabus that you have to cover for these exams. Let's see the syllabus in detail. First, let's talk about the SSC exam. And if you are a beginner and you want the detailed video about these exams, just comment down below and I will post the complete video about that. I'm always there to help you if you are a beginner. Let's talk about the SSC exam. SSC Self-Selection Commission exam are conducted for various posts like CGL, CHSL, MTS and many more. So if I talk about the reasoning syllabus that you have to cover for the SSC exam, there will be analogy, series question, coding decoding question, classification, blood relation question, direction and distance question, Venn diagrams, syllogism is there, order and ranking question, matrix, non-verbal reasoning, and all of these will be there in your reasoning part. Then in SSC exams, the questions are not that tough, but accuracy and speed is mandatory, so you have to take care of that. Now, if I talk about the banking exams such as IBPS, SBI, RBI, the syllabus will be puzzle and sitting arrangement questions, syllogism, inequality question, blood relation question, directions, coding decoding. The coding decoding will be of the new pattern, alphanumeric series, input output question, logical reasoning like assumption question, inference, strengthen weaken questions. All of these are there. In banking, reasoning is a bit tricky, especially the puzzles, but if your technique is right, then it will be easy for you, and I will teach you the technique that you have to follow in your exams to crack that. Now, if I talk about the railway exams like RRB, NPPC, Group D, ALP, there will be analogy, classification questions, series questions, coding decoding, then figure counting, mirror and water image, calendar and clock. This is rare. Then basic puzzles will be there, and the railway syllabus is very similar to the SSC as we have seen, but the management of time is crucial in the railways exam. Now let's talk about the CUET UG syllabus. Then there will be passage based logical reasoning questions in the CUET UG that is not there in other exams as we have seen. Then strengthen weaken arguments, assumption and inference question, cause and effect, course of action question, syllogism, series, blood relations, coding decoding, which is of very basic level. So these are there. It's important to understand the logic in CLAT reasoning. Like if you think that the rote learning will help you there, so it is a big no from my side. The concept clarification is very must in the CLAT UG reasoning part. So this is the whole reasoning syllabus that I have to cover in this video. Basically in Jagdishwaram we teach you not only the reasoning for the exam but for the life logic as well. Each topic will have a complete video, and we will provide you the concept video followed by the practice sets questions, previous year questions and tricks as well. Whether you are a beginner or already preparing, you will grow step by step with me. So if you are interested in reasoning or facing any problem, you are in the right place. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button and comment your target exam. I will create the content accordingly. See you in the next video with a new concept. Bye bye, take care.